ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज संभावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैर्नभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. Okay, so we'll do a quick review. Let's see who all are there. Swami, Elena, Lavanya, can one of you do 13? And then Shobha, can you do 13?
do next time, Rajesh.
Okay, no worries. Lavanya Swami, Ninga?
Hi Rajesh. Lavanya வந்து she is not there yet. நான் வந்து I will give it a try.
Okay, so
I
maybe
also
Narayani,
not
can you go
practice.
first?
Yeah, நான் போறேன்.
Narayani நீங்க first போங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் Swami, if you want to go, you can, somebody else can go, okay?
Sure.
Okay. Dashakam 13, Hiranyaksha Vada Varnanam. Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada Bhavadan Veshana Param Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nija Janga Parimite Bhavad Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Danujamapi Nindam Stavabalam Samayavi Vishnur Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabho Kashtam Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bigaditaha Nadan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Darshita Pato Bhavantam Samprapad Dharanidhara Mudyantamudakat Aho Aranyo Yamrigayiti Hasantam Bahutaraihi Duruktair Vidyantam Diti Sutamavajnaya Bhagavan Mahim Drishtva Damshra Shirasi Chakitam Svena Mahasa Payodhavadaya Prasabamudayunkta Mrudavidau Gada Panau Daitye Twamapihi Grihitonnadagado Niyuddena Kridan Gatagatharavodgushtabiyata Ranalokautsukkyan Milati Surasange Drutamamum Nirundyaha Sandhya Taf Pratamamiti Datra Jagadishe Gadon Mardhe Tasmin Tava Kalu Gadayam Diti Bhuvo Gada Ghatad Bhumau Jatiti Patitayam Ahahaboho.
Pati, sorry, and the Jatiti Pati. I think Pati ni kettudu, Patitaya.
Patita, sorry, Pati put. Jatiti Patitayam Ahahaboho. Mridusmerasyastvam Danuja Kula Nirmulana Chanam Mahachakram Smritva Karabuvi Dadano Ruruchishe Tatashulam Kala Pratimarushi Daitye Visrujati Tvayichindatyenat Karakalita Chakra Praharanat Samarushto Mushtya Sakalu Vitutam Damstvam Samatanut Galan Maye Mayaha Tvayikila Jagan Mohana Karihi Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Patena dane?
Patena.
Okay. Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Tato Maya Chakre Vitata Ghanaro Shanda Manasam Garishtabir Mushti Prakritibihi Abhignantamasuram Karagrena Svena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi Mahakaya Soyam Tavakara Saroja Pramatito Galadrakto Vakrad Apata Drishebis Shlagitahatihi Tadha Twamuddhama Pramadabhara Vidyoti Hridaya. Correct?
Correct.
Vidyoti Hridaya Munindra Sandra Bihi Stuti Biranuvanat Bharatanum.
And the first line, first line after Mahakaya Soyam, there is a pause, okay?
Oh, okay.
No, you can continue.
Vachit Chando Romaswapi Kushaganash Chakshushi Gritam Chaturhotarungrao Srugapi Vadane Chodaragida Graha Jihvayam Te Parapurusha Karne Chamasaha विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुकरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्द्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
நீங்க சொல்றீங்களா
Hey,
நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் சொல்றீங்களா? Go ahead.
நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன் ராஜேஷ். I not I mean last time classல எல்லாம் சொன்னது அதுக்கப்புறம் I haven't practiced but I will give it a
Okay.
shot in case ரொம்ப struggle பண்ணேன்னா I will
Okay, no worries.
speak to somebody. दशकं 13 हिरण्याक्षवदवर्णनम् हिरण्याक्षं तावद्वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि नितजनगपरिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर् नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन्दनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलं स मायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं किमिदमिति तेन विगदितः नदन् क्वासाविति स मुनिना दर्शितपतो भवन्तं सम्प्रापत् धरणिधरमुद्यन्तम् उदकात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्ता मृदविदौ गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्गुष्टावियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्यात प्रथममिति दात्रा जगदिशे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो गदागाता भूमौ झटिति पतिताय महः भोः
पतितायां झटिति पतितायाम् अहः भोः
झटिति पतितायाम् अहः भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुल निर्मूलनचरणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा खरभुवि ददानो रुरुचिषे ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः ज्योतिष्कणलव निपतेन विदुते
कनलवनिपातेन
विपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे वितत रोषान्द मनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रकृतिभिः अभिज्ञन्तम् असुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधीः महाकायस्सोऽयं तव करसरोज प्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्धाम प्रमदभर विद्योति हृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिर अनुवन् नध्वरतनुम्.
As you can say, I mean, eventually you can say it together. Stutibhiranuvan
स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोऽङ्ग्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदरयिडा ग्रहाजिह्वायं ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्द्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very good. Okay, so we'll get going with 16. Kalpana, can you be a student today?
Yes.
Shubhadra?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I think we finished up to 4, right, in 16. So I'll just say 1 to 4 and then we'll start with the 5th one. Daksho virinchatanayotamanostanujam labdva prasutimiha shodashachapakanyah dharme trayodasha dadau pitrushaswadham cha swaham havirbhuji satim girishe twadamshe मूर्तिर् हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसहं महितानुभावं यज्जन्मनिः प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रबवृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपःसमराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मित तपस्समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं Tvam bhratruman badarikashramamadyavatsihi Shakrotate shamatapo bhalanissahatma Divyangana parivritam prajighayamaram. That's where we stopped last time. So we'll continue now with the fifth stanza. Kamo vasantamalaya nilabandhushali Kanta kataksha vishikair vikasat vilasaihi Vidyan muhurakampa mudiksha chatvam Bhirustvayata jagade mriduhasa bhaja. So when we left last time, right, we saw how Nara and Narayana had gone to the Bhadarika Ashramam, and then where Indra then wanted to now test, right, the strength of their penance. So he actually ended up sending the Kamadeva there to test them. So now, if you think of if Kamadeva is coming to now distract Nara and Narayana when they're doing a penance, he has to make sure that the temperature is proper. Like he can't be coming when temperatures are at 100 degrees, then they're not going to get distracted. At the same time, it has to create an environment where it is smelling nice and all that. So that's why they're saying he's bringing along, or he's coming in the time when it is the spring season, when the temperatures are nice, the flowers are blooming, and then the fragrances of the flowers are all there, so they can all get distracted. And then also Kanta Kataksha Vishikai, so the women who actually came along with Kamadeva to distract them. So here Bhattaripad, being a poet, is saying they are sending arrows from their eyes. So if you kind of look at it, right, there was in one Upanyasam, they were telling how long time back the definition was the eyebrows of the women, even in the middle, is sometimes connected, and when you look at the whole thing, it looks like a bow. So if you think of the eyebrows of the women as a bow, and then the eyes, and then the women are looking at it, it's as if there are arrows coming out of it, right? So that's what here they're saying. The women are just looking on the side, and then it's as if there are arrows actually coming out of their bows, and they're all trying to distract Nara and Narayana, and they're also trying to dance and all that stuff. But then what happens is nothing impacts Nara and Narayana, and they continue to be focused on their meditation. And so when that happens, these people also get biruhu, they get a little frightened. How is it that we're trying to deploy all these tactics and there's absolutely no impact? So at that time, when they were all getting frightened, then you, O Lord, mridu hasa bhaja, you then were smiling. And then you told them, Bhattaripad is ending this stanza, what the Lord tells or what he does comes in the next stanza. So here the Lord is smiling and telling them something. So, Kamo Vasanta Malayanila Bandhu Shali, longi, comma, Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi. Kamo Vasantamalaya Bandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi. Kalpana, you want to?
Kamo Vasantamalaya Bandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi. Kamo Vasantamalaya Bandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi.
Kamo Vasantamalaya Nilabandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi. Kamo Vasantamalaya Nilabandhushali Kanta Kataksha Vishikair Vikasat Vilasaihi.
Vidyan Muhur. The next word, you can break it into three parts if you want. One is after Muhur, again another Muhur Akampam Udikshya. Those are the three parts. So Vidyan Muhur, Muhur Akampam Udikshya. Or you can say it together, Muhur Akampam Udikshya Cha Tvam, comma, Bhirus Tvayata Jagade Mridu Hasa Bhaja.
Birusa Bitasa in the Bitas ni edirka.
Some places had Beatas, so just change it to Birus. I also have made a note. Yeah. So
Thank
some
you.
places have Beatas, change it to Birus. विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीरुस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा
विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीरुस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीरुस्त्वयाथ जगदे मृदुहासभाजा
विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य उदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीरुस्त्वयात जगते मृदुहासभाजा विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीरुस्त्वयात जगते मृदुहासभाजा.
I think we're doing 4. Let's do 4 lines, and then the tune might get a little off. We need to separate it out. So anyway, stanza 6. बीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनाभो मन्मानसं त्विहजुषद्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शय स्वपरिचारककातराक्षीः. So all of them who were there, they're all like, like perturbed. They were all completely disturbed and surprised that nothing is happening to Narayana. And then Stuvatam, and they start praising Narayana, saying they're really amazed how we are not getting disturbed. So you, O Lord, then said to Angaja. Angaja means somebody who does not have a body, right? So so Kamadeva, when he tried to disturb Shiva, and Shiva then opened his third eye, and Kamadeva then got burned. So he's supposed to have lost his form or a body. So he's called as a person who doesn't have a body. So he's the Angaja. And then everybody else, all the women and everybody who have actually assembled there. So Narayana is telling them, do not fear. He's like smiling and telling, do not fear. He says, you all try to show your exhibit, right, of how you can actually, what you can do and try to disturb me. Let me now show you what I can do. And then Mat manasam, out of my mind, let me show you what I can do. And then out of his mind, he then created even more beautiful women who were attending to him. So he was essentially saying that you cannot distract me by coming and bringing in, other any level of distractions. I can have even more beautiful women than who you are bringing, and they are by my side, and I'm still not getting distracted, right? So he's saying I'm still focused on my meditation, and both Nara and Narayana are saying they're not getting distracted, and he's showing that if you can do this, let me show you what I can do. And then he's kind of portraying that. So Bhityalam Angaja, if you want to break it. Bhityalam Angaja Vasanta Surangana Vo, comma, Man Manasam Tviha. Tviha. So that is like the English, if you want to translate, it become TVIHA. Tviha. Is a half it and then a viha. Tviha. Jushadvamiti. Jushadvam iti. So Jushadvamiti Bruvanaha. Tvam Vismayena Paritaha is there. So put is Paritas Stuvatam Athaisham. Stuvatam Athaisham, comma. Again, Pradarshayaha is there. So put is Pradarshayas Swa Paricharaka Kata Rakshihi. Bhityalamangaj Vasanta Suranganavo Manmanasam Tviha Jushadvamite Bruvanaha Tvam Vismayena Paritastuvatam Athaisham Pradarshayaswa Paricharaka Katarakshihi.
Bhityalamangaj Vasanta Suranganavo Manmanasam Tviha Jushadvamiti Bruvanaha Tvam Vismayena Paritastuvatam Athaisham Pradarshayasva Paricharaka Katarakshihi. Bhityalamangaj Vasanta Suranganavo Manmanasam Tviha Jushadvamiti Bruvanaha Tvam Vismayena Paritastuvatam Athaisham Pradarshayasva Paricharaka Katarakshihi.
Bhityasamangaj Vasanta.
Bhityalam.
वीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्तसुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं द्विह जुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामदैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककादराक्षी कातराक्षी भीत्यालं
Katarakshihi at the end.
कातराक्षीः भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्तसुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामदैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककादराक्षीः.
Answer 7. Sammohanaya milita madanadayaste tvaddasika parimalai kila mohamapuhu dattam tvaya cha jugruhastrapayaiva sarvasvarvasi garbhashamanim punarurvashim tvam tam. So then the even more beautiful women who the Lord had then created compared to the damsels, so all of them, Kamadeva and everybody, really were, mohamapuhu. They actually got enchanted. They actually got attracted to the other women who saying they were really surprised how they were even more beautiful. So at that time, so you all have heard about the various names, Ramba, Menaka, Urvashi, all those names you might have heard. Anybody know what is the meaning of Urvashi?
Beauty.
No, Urvashi is the most beautiful, but that's not the meaning of Urvashi though. Okay.
The one who came from the thigh?
Yes. Uru means thighs. So one who came from the thighs is Urvashi. So here, when all of these people were completely like mesmerized with everything, so Narayana then tapped his thigh, and out of his thigh came a woman whose name was Urvashi, because she came from the thigh of Narayana. So she's called Urvashi. So then she was even more prettier. And so then the god then sends Urvashi to them and says, you take her along. So Indra is sending all of you to me to distract me. So let me actually give Indra a present. And then that's how Urvashi was in, produced or made or born. And then she was then given to them to take back to Indra to completely humble their pride and to not distract Nara and Narayana here. So Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste, comma, Twadhasika. So double the coming there. Twadhasika Parimalaihi is there. Put a ich sound. Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvaya cha Jugruhus. So Jagruhus Trapayaiva Sarva, and then put a plus, Swarvasi Garva Shamanim. Next word, Punar Urvashim. That's what it is for your understanding. You can say it together. Punar Urvashim Tam. Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste Tvaddasika Parimalai Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvaya cha Jagruhustrapayaiva Sarvasvarvasi Garbhashamanim Punarurvashim Tam.
Rajeshri, is there comma after Sarvasi Garva Shamani?
No, it's continuous. If both those lines are continuous.
Sammohanaya milita madanadayaste tvaddhasika parimalai kila mohamapuhu dattam tvaya cha jagruhustrapayaiva sarvasvarvasi garva shamanim punarurvashim tam. Sammohanaya milita madanadayaste tvaddhasika parimalai kila mohamapuhu Dattam tvaya cha jagruhus trapayaiva sarvasvarvasi garva shamanim punarurvashim tam. Should I say it once again?
No, you're good.
Sammohanaya milita madanadayaste त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः धत्तां द्वया च जगृहस्त्रपयैव सर्वस्वर्वासि गर्व समनीं पुनरूर्वशीं ताम्.
And Shubhada, although we say Urvashi, it's Urvashi. So Punar Urvashim Tham.
Okay. पुनरुर्वशीं ताम् सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्धासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः धत्तां द्वया च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव स्वर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम्.
Stanza 8. Yeah.
How do we say that the third line after Dattam Tvayam Cha? Can you say one more time that line?
Yeah. Jagrihus. Jagrihus. Trapayaiva. Trapayaiva. So Dattam Tvaya Cha Jagruhus Trapayaiva.
Okay.
Sarva.
Thank you.
Okay. Stanza 8. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव. So when all of them then go back to Indra, Shakra here referring to Indra, and then they go and tell Tava Katham, they narrate the entire incident, the story that actually happened, and also show Indra that who they have brought along. They got along Urvashi along with them. So when all of this happens, then Indra then realizes, that what a mistake he had made, and then he comes to the realization, and then he feels, he's Pagyakula, he's like amazed and surprised by your glory. He realizes your glory as well. So here Bhattacharya is saying, in this manner, this avataram of yours, although we saw how Sahasra Kavacha and all was gotten written, but the way Narayana dealt with this, he says this is Prashantam, it is a very gentle, and Ramaniyam, it is very beautiful. This avataram of yours, Narayana avataram of yours, is a very gentle and a very beautiful avataram, and it is only surpassed by one other avataram of yours, which is, he said, Krishna Tanuhu. Only when you are born as Krishna, that avataram exceeds this. So it is still not number one, it is still number two, although it was very nice and beautiful. It cannot surpass Krishna, but it is a close number two to Krishna avataram, like Bhattacharya is telling here. So Drishtvar Vashim Tava Katham Cha Nishamya Shakraha, Paryakulojani Bhavan Mahimava Marshat. So you have to say it together. Mahimava Marshat. Evam Prashanta. So next word, Ramaniya Tara. It's Ramaniya Tara Avatara. It's two different words, but you can't split it that way. So Prashanta Ramaniya Taravatarat. Put a it at the end of that line, like Avatarat. It at the end of that line, comma. So next line, you will have two its, at least in Sanskrit, you'll have two its, so remove one of them off. So it becomes Tvattodiko Varada Krishna Tanus Tvameva. Drishtvar Vashim Tava Katam Cha Nishamya Shakraha Paryakulo Jani Bhavan Mahima Vamashat Evam Prashantaramaniya Taravatarat Tvattodhiko Varada Krishna Tanustvameva.
दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनि भवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरदकृष्टतनुस्त्वमेव. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनि भवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरदकृष्टतनुस्त्वमेव.
दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णधनुस्त्वमेव दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णधनुस्त्वमेव.
Stanza 9. Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajoндho natya dhritastvai cha kashtamashantiraasit yena vyarunda sabhavat thanumeva sharvam yagne cha vairapishune swasutam vyamhanit. So Narayana Avataram, that description is over as of the 8th stanza. So now he's pivoting to Daksha. If you start, we said in the first stanza, all the sons who were born out of the mind of Brahma. So this Daksha, who is Lalanaya, he's like, but saying he's spoiled the child of Brahma because of excess tamaguna in his body, because of which he, Narayana or Krishna, was not paying much attention to you. Because of that, he had a lot of tamas built up in his body. So once, as you all know the story, he is performing, when he walks in, when a sacrifice is being performed by all the sons of Prajapatis, they are performing it, and everyone who's there, when Daksha walks in, everybody stands up as a respect to Daksha, except two. One is Brahma, one is Shiva. But because Brahma is his Manasika father, Daksha then bows to Brahma and he respects him. But then he feels that he's insulted by Shiva because Shiva does not stand up. So when Daksha then performs another yajna, he doesn't call Shiva and Parvati, right? So that's what is just described in the very couple of lines. He's just describing the whole thing, that he gets very angry towards Shiva, who Bhadrapad says is Bhavat Tanumeva. He's your form only, he's you only, just in a different form. So it was as if like he doesn't, because he's not praying, he's not connected to you, he continues to insult Shiva as well. And then he performs this sacrifice where he insults his daughter and Shiva as well by not calling them. So that is kind of summarized in this stanza. So Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondho. So Raja Anda, he's blinded by the Rajaguna here. Rajondo, comma. Natya dhritas tvai cha. Next word, you can break it into 3. Kashtam ashanti rasit. If you want to break it, Kashtam ashanti rasit. Say it together. Kashtam ashanti rasit. Yena vyarundha sa bhavat tanumeva sharvam, comma. Yagne cha vaira pishune swasutam vyamanit. Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondho natya dhritastvai cha kashtamashantiraasit yena vyarunda sa bhavat tanumeva sharvam yagne cha vaira pishune swasutam vyamanit.
दक्षस्तु दातुरति लालनया रजोन्धो नात्यादृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धस भवत्तनुमेव शर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत् दक्षस्तु दातुरति लालनया रजोन्धो नात्यादृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धस भवत्तनुमेव शर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत्
दक्षस्तु धातुरति लालनया रजोन्दो नात्यादृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धस भवत्तनुमेव सर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुनेव स्वसुतां व्यमानीत् दक्षास्तु धातुरति दक्षस्तु धातुरति लालनयो रजोन्तो नाद्यादुरत् न्याद्याद्रुदस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तरासीत्
Ashanti.
अशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धसभवत्तनुमेव सर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत्.
Yeah. So the third line end is Sharvam. Okay, SH Shiva Sharvam.
येन व्यरुन्धसभवत्तनुमेव सर्वं
Yeah.
यज्ञ. Okay, thank you.
That's certain. Kruddeshamarditamakah satukritta shirsho deva prasaditah radhatalabdha jeevah tvatpurita kratuvarah punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha. So then this goes on, right? So after that, you know, kind of you all generally know the story. So Daksha is enraged, and then Parvati goes, and then Parvati then you know, she jumps into the fire. Then Shiva gets angry, and then out of his matlocks, you know, Veerabhadra comes. Veerabhadra then goes and chops off Daksha's head. Then everybody goes and prays to Shiva. Shiva then puts a head of a goat on Daksha, and then, you know, they complete the sacrifice. So that's what it's just summarizing here, saying then when all the gods went and spoke to Shiva, then Shiva, and then with your blessings, by your grace, Tvat Purita, with your grace, Daksha was able to complete the sacrifice, the yajna which he had started on. And then with that, Punarapa Shantim, later on, he attained peace of mind because of realizing his mistakes and having completed the yajna. So here in this whole thing, the summary is Sattvam, you, Prashantikara, you are a person of calmness because you handled a lot of these activities in a very calm way. So, oh, that Guru Ayurappa, Pahi Marutpuresha, oh, that Lord of Guru Ayur, please protect me. With that, Dasakam 16 comes to an end. So, Kruddesha Mardita Makaha is there. So, put a is Makas Sa tu Kritta Shirsho. So, the first word is Kru, this is Kri. Okay, so the U sound doesn't come in the second. Kritta Shirsho, comma. Deva Prasadita Haradatha Labda Jivaha. Tvat Purita Kratuvaraha is there. So put a if Kratuvara Punarapa Shantim, comma. Sa Tvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha. Kruddesha Mardita Makas Satukritta Shirsho Deva Prasadita Haradata Labda Jivahan Tvatpurita Kratuvara Punarapa Shantim Sattvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha.
Kruddeshamarditamakah satukritta shirsho deva prasadita haradata labda jivah tvatpurita kratuvarah punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha. Kruddeshamarditamakah satukritta shirsho deva prasadita haradata labda jivah Tvatpurita kratuvarah punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Kruddeshamarditamakas satukritta shirsho deva prasadita haradata labda jivaha tvatpurita kratuvara punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha.
With the first word is Kruddesha, Kru, K-R-U.
Okay. Kruddesha Marditamakas satukritta shirsho deva prasadita haradata labda jivaha tvatpurita kratuvara punarapashantim sattvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Complete 16, so we'll switch to 21. So let's, Aarti, are you available?
Sure, Rajesh.
Srilata Garu?
Yes, Rajesh, I am available.
Okay, so all right, we'll start with 21. So 21 is really every line is kind of saying, I'm praying to you, I'm meditating to you. It's kind of like the 98 which we had done last time, right? But each of the stanza is referring to one incarnation or one form of the Lord. Okay, so every stanza is different. But in each of the stanza, at the end of the day, it's Bhattacharya saying, I'm meditating to you, I'm praying to you in this form. And he's describing the various forms. That's what is happening in this 21st chapter. And I also sent some images, right? If you want to follow it, right? As we are talking about which region. And you have to remember, when this region is being defined here, this region, this is written in Bhagavatam. So at least it is 5,000 years old at a minimum. So this definition of the regions is going back at a minimum 5,000 years, right? But we don't know how it's even further old or not. So stanza 1. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradana vanita jana matra bhaji Sharvena mantranutibis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshrayetvam. So samshraya means I'm seeking refuge. So, oh Lord, I'm seeking refuge to you. And then you kind of think of it as whatever is coming later is in the form of in quotes, right? I'm seeking refuge in you who is, and then here it starts saying Madhyodbhave, in the middle of this earth, in the place called as Ilabrata. And you can see it in the map where it is, right? In the place called Ilabrata. This is a region called Ilabrata where it is primarily the majority of people living there are women who have Gauri as their chief. So Gauri is the chief of all the women there. And in that region, Shiva, in the form of Ardhanarishwara, so Shiva along with Gauri are worshipping you in the form of Sankarshana. So Sankarshana is the other name. You can think of it as Adishesha's other name, or Balarama, however you want to think of it. So in your form as Sankarshana, Shiva along with Gauri, Shiva in the form of Ardhanarishwara, are worshipping you in the form of Sankarshana. To that Sankarshana, I am seeking refuge. That is stanza 1. So Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavrita namni varshe, comma, Gauri, longi, Gauri pradhana vanitajana. Vanitajana means primarily women. Vanitajana matra bhaji. Sharvena mantra nutibihi is there. So put a is. Mantra nutibis samupasyamanam together, comma, sankarshanatmakam, one word, sankarshanatmakam adishwara, if you want to break it. So sankarshanatmakam adishwara samshraye tvam. Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavritanamni varshe Gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibhis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakam adishwara samshraye tvam.
Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibhis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshraye tvam. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibhis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshraye tvam.
Bhuva ilavritanamni varshe Gauri pradana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibhis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshraye tvam. Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavritanamni varshe Gauri pradana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibhis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshraye tvam.
Stanza 2. Bhadrashvanamaka ilavrita purva varshe Bhadrashravo birishebeh parinu yamanam Kalpanta Guda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. So Dhyayami means I'm meditating, right? So I'm meditating on you, who is in the form of Hayashirsha Tanum. Hayashirsha means the one who's got the head or a neck of a horse. So Hayagriva. So in the the one who has got the body of a neck or a head of a horse. So so I'm worshipping you, who's in the form of Hayagriva, in the region which is Ilavrita Purva Varshe. So which is on the east of the Ilavrita, which we saw previously, and that is Bhadrashvanamaka. Right? So in the region of Bhadrashva, I'm meditating you in the form of who is taken the form of Hayagriva. This Hayagriva is also the one who has Nigamam. Nigamam means truth or Veda. So Nigamam is a Veda. So Kalpantam, at the end of the Kalpa, when the Pralayam happens and all the knowledge is lost, the Veda is lost, then this Hayagriva is coming and recovering the Vedas. So that Kalpan, Nigama Uddharanam, you are recovering the Vedas, that Hayagriva, I know, who is also praised by the rishis who are living in that region, because it's a Bhadrashva region. The rishis are also called as Bhadrashvara, are the rishis who live in that region. So they are worshipping you in the form of Hayagriva. To that Hayagriva, I am meditating here. So Bhadrashva Namaka Ilavrita Purva Varshe, comma, Bhadrashravobhir, that's one word, Bhadrashravobhir, Rishibihi is there, so put the if there, Rishibih, Parinuyamanam, Kalpanta Gudha Nigamodharana. So Nigama Uddharana, but say it together, Nigamodharana Pravinam, comma, Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavrita Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhir Rishibih Parinu Yamanam Kalpanta Ghuda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam.
Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavrita Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhir Rishibih Parinu Yamanam Kalpanta Gudha Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavrita Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhir Rishibih Parinu Yamanam Kalpanta Gudha Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam.
Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavruta Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhir Rishibih Parinuyamanam Kalpanta Guda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavruta Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhir Rishibih Parinuyamanam Kalpanta Guda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam.
Stanza 3. Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe Prahlada Mukhya Purushaih Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Kritimeka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam. So third one again, Dhyayami. So I'm meditating on you, who is there. First we'll talk about the region. So this one is to the south of Ilavrita, Dakshina, to the south of Ilavrita, in the region called as Harivarsha. So there you are being worshipped. I'm meditating you in the form of Narahari. Narahari means Narasimha. So I'm worshipping you in the form of Narasimha, who is worshipped by Prahlada Mukhya Purusha. By Prahlada and all other important people in the region are also worshipping you in the form of Narasimha. So I'm also meditating on that form of Narasimha in the region of Harivarsha. And this Narasimha is, Bhattabhata is defining it as who's tall and also Shantam. Now you ask me, how is Narasimha, then how is they defending Narasimha as Shantam? Because this is the Narasimha once Hiranyaksha Vadam happens and then Narasimha becomes calm, right? And Prahlada goes there. So in that form of Narasimha, who is in a calm Narasimha, I am worshipping you, who also Eka Shuddha Jnana Pradam, who is bestowing that single ultimate truth, knowledge. So to that Narasimha, I am meditating here in the region of Harivarsha. So Dhyayami Dakshina Gate Harivarsha Varshe, comma, Prahlada Mukhya Purushaihi is there, so put a if Purushaif Parishevya Manam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Kritim Eka, if you want to break it, Dhavala Kritim Eka Shuddha, and then you can put a plus there. Jnana Pradham Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam. So the last two lines are together. Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe Prahlada Mukhya Purushaif Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Kritimeka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam.
Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha-varshe Prahlada-mukhya Purushaif Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala-kriti Meka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam.
Arti, on the third line, if you say Dhavala Kritim, if you say, then you should say Eka Shuddha.
Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha-varshe Prahlada-mukhya Purushaif Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala-kriti Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam.
Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha-varshe Prahlada Mukhya Purushai Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Krutimeka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam. Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe Prahlada Mukhya Purushai Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Krutimeka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam.
Stanza 4. Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishebhyamanam Tasya Priyaya Dhrita Kamatanum Bhaje Tvam. So Bhaje Tvam, I'm worshipping you in the region which is Pratichi, to the west of Ilavrata. Ilavrata was our starting point, right? To the west of Ilavrata, in this beautiful place called Ketumala, where you have taken the form of Kamatanum. You have taken the form of Kamadeva, primarily for your wife, Tasya Priyaya. So one who is very devoted to you, your beloved Lakshmi. So for the purpose of Lakshmi, you have taken the form of Kamadeva there. And there you are worshipped by Lakshmi along with Prajapati Sute, all the sons of Prajapati. Everybody is worshipping you there. And your form is Leela Vishesha. It's a very Leela means all sporting activities. It's a very sportive form, and you have a it's beautiful Shobhanangam. It's a very beautiful form of yours. So Lakshmi Devi and all the other sons of Prajapati, everybody is worshipping you in that region. So you've taken this form primarily for Lakshmi. So to that I am worshipping Bhaje Tvam. So Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale, comma Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmiya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishebhyamanam, comma Tasyaha is there, so you can put a if there. Tasyah Priyaya Dhrita Kama Thanum Bhaje Tvam. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्याः प्रियाय धृत काम तनुं भजे त्वाम्.
Rajesh,
वर्षे
second line, is it Leela, Vishesha, Lalita or Lasita?
Lalita.
Oh, my book has Lalita.
वर्षे प्रदीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामदनुं भजे त्वाम्. वर्षे प्रदीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्याः प्रियाय धृत कामदनुं भजे त्वाम्.
I think the last line is Dhrita Kama Tanum. Ta, not da. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय धृत काम तनुं भजे त्वाम्. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति श्रुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय धृत काम तनुं भजे त्वाम्.
Stanza 5. Ramye hyudीचि खलु रम्यक नाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमानं भक्तैकवत्सलम् अमत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तं. So bhaje, I am worshipping you now in this region which is to the north of Ilavrata. So it's a Ramya means beautiful. So Ramya means in the beautiful region which is north of Ilavrata called Ramyaka Namni Varshe, region called Ramyaka. So there you are worshipped by that region's king, that region's Manu of that area in the form of Matsya Kritim, in your Matsya Avataram. So he is worshipping you in the form of a fish. So, oh Lord, so I am also kind of meditating or worshipping you in that form, in the Matsya Avatara version, who is Bhakteka Vatsalam. So God is anyway kind to everybody, but Bhakteka, for your devotees, in this form, you're even more kinder. You're even more kinder to your devotees. And then you are always residing in the hearts of people who are very pure, in the good-hearted people, you continue to reside all the time. So to that form of you, in the form of Matsya Avataram, I'm worshipping you in that region. So Ramye Hyudīchi, Hyu, so it's a ha and ya combined there. So Hyudīchi Khalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe, comma Tadvarsha Natha Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika. Next word you can break it. Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara, if you want to break it. Vatsalam Amatsara Hritsu Bhantam. The Hr sound coming. Hritsu Bhantam, comma Matsya Kritim Bhuvana Natha Bhaje Bhavantam. Ramye Hyudīchi Khalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe Tadvarshanatha Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalamamatsarahit Subhantam Matsya Kritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam.
Ramye Hyudīchi Khalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe Tadvarshanatha Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalamamatsarah Prutsubantam Matsya Kritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam. Rajesh and the Mamatsa.
Yeah. So Bhakteika Vatsalam Amatsara Hritsu. Hritsu bhantam.
Amatsara varun, yeah.
Amatsara Hritsu bhantam. Yeah.
Okay.
It just felt like you left half a syllable or something there. It didn't land properly.
Yeah. Ramye hyudichi kalu ramya gana kanamni varshe dadvarshanata
Sorry, Ati. Tadvarsha, ta, first ta.
First. Ramye hyudichi kalu ramya kanamni varshe tadvarshanata manuvarya saparyamanam bhaktaika vatsalam amatsara hrutsubantam matsya-krutim bhuvananata bhaje bhavantam.
Ramye hyudichi kalu ramyakanamni varshe tadvarshanata manuvarya saparyamanam bhaktaika vatsalam amatsara hrutsubhantam matsya-krutim bhuvananata bhaje bhavantam. Ramye hyudichi kalu ramyakanamni varshe tadvarshanata manuvarya saparyamanam bhaktaika vatsalam amatsara hrutsubhantam matsya-krutim bhuvananata bhaje bhavantam.
Stanza 6. Varsham hiranmaya samahvayam uttaraham asinam advidhriti karmata kamathangam samsevate pitrgana pravaroryamaham tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman. So bhajami, I'm worshipping you now in this region called as Hiranmaya region, which is north of the Ramyaka region, because we're talking about Ramyaka, the previous stanza. So he's saying the north of what was described. So north of Ramyaka, there you are worshipped by the Pitrus, by the chief of all of the Pitrus, in the form of Karmata. Karmata means tortoise. So you are worshipping in your, so in the Kurma avataram, right? So worshipping the form of, they worshipped in the form of a tortoise who is capable of lifting the Mandara mountain. So we saw that in the 27th chapter, right? So you are lifting the mountain, Mandara mountain, so that you are worshipped in the form of tortoise there. Also to that Lord, who is the Parachinmaya Atman, who is the supreme consciousness, I am also meditating, or I am also worshipping. So each of this you can see is like one. So the fifth, I think fifth was Matsya Avataram. This is Kurma Avataram, right? In 6. So Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayam. So again, half ha is coming there. Samahvayam Auta. If you want to break it, you can break it at the ma. So Samahvayam Auta Raham. So put the im at the end of that line and a comma. Next line, Masinam. If you have it, remove the ma and make it a. Asinam Adri Dhriti Karmatha Kamathangam. So Asinam Adri Dhriti Karmatha Kamathangam. Samsevate Pitru Gana Pravarorya Mayam. Pravarorya Mayam, comma. Tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman. Varsham hiranmaya samahvayam uttaraham asinam advidhriti karmatha kamathangam samsevate pitrgana pravaroryamaham tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman.
Varshe hiranmaya samahvayam uttaraham asinam adridhriti kamata kamatangam samsevate pitrugana pravaroryamayam tam tvam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman. Varshe hiranmaya
Varsham hiranmaya.
वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयम् औत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकां कर्मटकामटाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्
शं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयमौत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकर्मटकामटाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परिचिन्मयात्मन्
Parachinmayatman.
परचिन्मया वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयमौत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकर्मटकामटाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्
Stanza 7. किंचोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्यां संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिः प्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते. So now he's going further north. So further north of Hiranmaya, in the region called Kuru, the region of Kurus, you are worshipped by first Priyaya Dharanya. Priyaya means beloved. Dharani means earth. So Dharanya means Mother Earth. So by your concert, Mother Earth, because why? Because in this case you are worshipping in the form of Yajna Varaha Murti, which is the form of the divine boar. So Varaha Avataram, right? So because Varaha Avataram rescued the earth, so the Mother Earth and everybody else are, all the enlightened people are then worshipping you in this region with Mahita mantra, with mantras and all the various hymns. They're actually worshipping you in the form of Yajna Varaha Murti. So please, you Tvam Pahi, you please protect me in this form of Yajna Varaha Murti. Please protect me because you are the size, right? Because of the size, which is so big that it was so big as if the tusks are touching the clouds. So just describing the size. So because of that massive size of yours of Yajna Varaha Murti, you are worshipped by everybody there, and you please Tvam Pahi, you please protect me as well. So Kinchothareshu, so double third coming there. Kinchothareshu Kurushu Priyaya Dharanya, comma Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhedhaihi. So the next word, Damshtragra. So first remember that Ta also has an ir underneath it, right? Tra. So Damshtragra Grishta Ghana Prishtha Garishta Varshma, comma Tvam Pahi Vignanuta Yajna Varaha Murte. Kinchotareshu Kurushu Priyaya Dharanyam Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhedhaihi Damshtragra Grishta Ghanaprishta Garishta Varshma Tvam Pahi Vignanuta Yajna Varaha Murte.
किंचोतरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययादरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनभृष्टगरिष्टवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
So Sarthi, your second. And the first is Kinchotareshu. It's an in sound, not an im sound. Okay. Kinchotareshu.
किंचोतरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययादरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टघनभृष्टगरिष्टवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
Yeah. That means third line, sorry, after Gana Prishtha. So the pa sound comes. Prishtha, okay.
किंचोत्तरेषु कुरुषप्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टगणपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विघ्ननुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
Kilata Garu, again the first word, kinchotare, it's in, because the nya sound is coming, right? Nya, it's that letter is half of that nya in there. So that's why it's in has to come, not im.
Okay. किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषप्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः द्रंष्ट्राग्रगृष्टगणपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विघ्ननुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
That's it. I was thinking we'll finish this, but we won't be able to finish it because it's got 12 stanzas. So we may end up stopping at like 9 or 10. That's okay. Stanza 8. Yam hyam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumatha dhrida bhakti bhaja Sitha birama paramadhuta rupashali Ramatmaka parilasan paripahi Vishnu. So now we were going north of Ilavrata. So now he's going south of Ilavrata. So in the south of Ilavrata, in the region called as Kimpurusha, in Kimpurushakkya Varshe, in the region called Kimpurusha, you are now worshipped by Hanuman himself, who is Dhrida Bhakti Bhaja, who has a very firm devotion to you. He's very Dridam, he's very firm in his devotion to you. So that Hanuman is then worshipping you in the form of Ramatmaka. He's worshipping you in the form of Rama in that region, right? Along with Sita Birama. So he's worshipping you both in Rama, accompanied by Sita as well. And here it's two things. One is saying Sita is Abhirama. Sita is captivated or attracted to Rama. So she's with Rama. But Hanuman is worshipping both you and Sita in that splendid form of yours in this region. So to that Rama, Paripahi, please protect me, O Rama, who is worshipped in that region. So yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe. Let's together. Kim purushakya varshe, comma samsevito hanumatha dhrida bhakti bhaja Sithabhirama paramadbhuta rupashali. So parama adbhuta rupashali. Because Rama is considered to be very handsome, so Parama Adbhuta Rupam, Paramadbhuta Rupa Shali, comma Ramatmakaha is there. So put a if Ramatmakah Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. Yam hyam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja Sitha Bhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu.
Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Bhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Bhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu.
Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Bhirama paramadbhuta rupashali Ramatmika parilasan paripahi Vishnu.
Ramatmaka. Ramatmaka. I think you said Mika, maybe mistake here.
Ramatmaka. Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Bhirama paramadbhuta rupashali Ramatmaka parilasan paripahi Vishnu.
Stanza 9. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. So now is coming in to the Bharata Varsha, right? In the Bharata Khanda region, you along with Sri Naradena Saha, along with Sri Narada, you are then meditated by through actually Sankhya Yoga, through the Sankhya philosophy, which we saw in Kapilopakyanam, to the Sankhya philosophy, as well as through yoga. See, yoga doesn't mean the postures, right? That's one of the yoga. There are Ashtanga yoga, there are 8 types of yoga, which eventually leads to Samadhi. All of that is covered in the 4th chapter of Narayaniyam, Ashtanga yoga. So this yoga is a process of getting yuj, means to union with God is the meaning of yoga. And you do that through a series of things, and one of the first steps is taking care of your body, which is the asanas and all of that stuff, right? So that's not to be confused. So yoga is the 8 Ashtanga yoga. So through the Sankhya philosophy and yoga, all the devotees of the region of Bharata, led by Narada, are worshipping you in Narayana Narasaka, what we just learned in 16th chapter, in the 16th chapter, as Narayana, right? In the form of a Naranarayana avataram, they're worshipping you there. And there you then remain in the region till Akalpa Kalam, till the time of Pralaya is happened. You are there protecting all the virtuous people. So that Lord Naranarayana Paripahi, please protect me in that form as Nara and Narayana in that region. So Sri Naradena Saha Bharata Khandam Mukhyehi. So put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma, Mukhyehi, comma. Next line, if you have a is, you can remove that is. So Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi is there. Put a is again. Nutibis Samupasyamanaha Akalpa Kalamiha Sadhu Jana Bhirakshi, comma, Narayano Narasakaha is there. So put a if Narasakaf Paripahi Bhuman. Shinaradena Saha Bharata Khandamukyehi Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibis Samupasyamanaha Akalpa Kalamiha Sadhu Jana Bhirakshi Narayano Narasakah Paripahi Bhuman.
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतकण्ठमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतकण्ठमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. We'll stop the class here today. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurusharthatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Janaha कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।